So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to enable Instagram dark mode. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. After your opening, just go to your profile, then click on three lines, go to settings. After go to settings, click on theme and select your theme. If you need dark theme, then you can enable. If you need light theme, then you can also enable. So you can also set it by default. So in this way you can enable Instagram dark mode simply. Okay, so thank you for watching.